Hey there, welcome back everyone. Thanks for tuning in today. We're going to talk about relationships and power. Specifically, we're looking at Nicolas Maduro's wife, Cilia Flores. People say men everywhere envy what Maduro has. Let's explore why. Her name is Cilia Flores. She was born in 1956 in a small Venezuelan town. Her childhood was tough. She grew up poor in rough Caracas neighborhoods. But she was determined to change her life completely. Cilia became a lawyer. She studied hard at university. She specialized in criminal law and labor law. This education opened every door for her. It gave her status, connections, and real power in society. In the early 1990s, Hugo Chavez attempted a coup. He failed and went to prison. Cilia became his lawyer. She fought hard for his release. She succeeded in 1994. This changed Venezuelan politics forever. During those revolutionary days, Cilia met Nicolas Maduro. He was a former bus driver. He worked as a union organizer. She found him intelligent and passionate. They fell in love while fighting for political change. Here's what's important. Cilia built her own career. She didn't just follow Maduro around. In 2006, she became Venezuela's first female National Assembly president. She had genuine authority and influence. Political insiders say Cilia is the real strategist. She advises Maduro on everything important. She makes the tough decisions. She stays out of the spotlight. But she controls things behind the scenes. Cilia and Maduro have been partners for over 3 decades now. They married in 2013. Through everything good and bad, she stayed loyal. That's rare in politics. Cilia is known for her elegance and beauty. She always looks polished and sophisticated. But she's not just attractive. She's highly intelligent, educated, and politically savvy. Beauty plus brains. Think about what Cilia represents to men. She's gorgeous, but not shallow. She's loyal, but not weak. She's smart, but not cold. She's powerful, but still feminine. That combination is incredibly rare. Remember this important fact. Cilia met Maduro when he drove buses. He had no money or status. She saw his potential. She believed in him. She helped him rise. That's real commitment. Venezuela faced terrible economic collapse. International sanctions hit hard. Violent protests erupted everywhere. Millions of people fled the country. Through all this chaos, Cilia never left. She stayed strong. On January 3, 2026, American forces raided their home. They captured both of them. They flew them to New York City. Now they sit in jail. Even facing prison, Cilia stands beside him. What really stands out is the equality. Maduro respects Cilia's opinions deeply. He values her advice. He defends her publicly. She contributes real strategic thinking. They're true partners, not boss and follower. When America sanctioned Cilia personally, Maduro got angry. He said, "Attack me, not my wife." He defended her honor fiercely. That kind of protection matters. That kind of loyalty goes both ways. Cilia combines so many qualities men admire. She's beautiful and takes care of herself. She's educated with law degrees. She's politically powerful. She's fiercely loyal. She's an equal partner. Few women have everything. Cilia balances old and new perfectly. She talks about family values. She supports her husband publicly, but she also wields real power. She makes important decisions. She's both traditional wife and modern leader. Cilia thinks several steps ahead always. She knows how to build political alliances. She understands power better than most. Her legal training makes her analytical. Her experience makes her dangerous to opponents. In today's language, Cilia is ride or die. She's with Maduro through absolutely everything, success or failure, freedom or imprisonment, wealth or poverty. That total commitment is what men dream about. But let's talk honestly here. Their partnership enabled bad things too. Venezuela collapsed economically under their rule. Millions suffered terribly. People starved and fled. Cilia's nephews were convicted drug dealers. Cilia used her talents supporting controversial policies. She could have done good. Instead, she helped maintain authoritarian control. Her loyalty to Maduro hurt Venezuela. That's the unfortunate truth we can't ignore. Today, both face serious drug charges. They're in Brooklyn Detention Center. Their next court date is March 17. They could spend decades in prison. But they face it together as partners. So what do men actually envy? Not the politics or crimes. They envy the partnership itself. The unwavering loyalty, the mutual respect, the equality. The us against the world mentality. That's powerful stuff. Many men fantasize about this relationship. A beautiful, smart woman who believes in you. Someone who stands by you always. Someone who's your equal partner. Someone who never gives up on you. That's the dream. But reality is more complex. This loyalty came with huge costs. Venezuela was destroyed. Millions suffered. Their partnership required questionable choices. Nothing worth having comes easy. Nothing good comes without sacrifice. Cilia is completely different from trophy wives. Rich men often marry beautiful young women, but those are surface relationships. Cilia built power with Maduro. She chose him when he was nobody. That's authentic. The mutual respect is clear. Maduro doesn't treat Cilia like property. He treats her like an advisor. He values her mind. He protects her reputation. She's not decoration. She's essential to everything. Their relationship grew stronger during crisis. Economic collapse didn't break them. International pressure didn't split them. Capture and imprisonment didn't separate them. Most relationships crack under pressure. Theirs didn't. So here's Cilia Flores completely, poor girl who became powerful. Brilliant lawyer turned politician. Beautiful woman who's also strategic. Loyal wife who's also advisor. First lady who's really co-ruler. Complicated and fascinating. This story matters beyond politics. It shows what true partnership looks like, what unwavering loyalty means, what equality in marriage creates, what happens when two people truly commit. Those lessons apply everywhere. Men don't envy Maduro's politics. They don't envy his crimes. They envy having Cilia Flores, a woman who's beautiful and brilliant, loyal and strong, traditional and modern, an equal partner through everything. That's incredibly rare. So that's the story, friends. Cilia Flores, the woman behind Venezuela's president, the partner men envy, the loyal wife, the powerful strategist. Her story mixes love and power, loyalty and corruption, admiration and tragedy. It's complicated, but fascinating. What do you think? Thanks for listening. See you next time.